Good morning, students. So we will start with component of Visual Basic window. So in this chapter, previous topics are covered. So take a look for previous session in fastly. So here, Visual Basic introduction. So now we are talking about Visual Basic. So Visual Basic is a high level language. Which type? So if you talk about high level language, what is programming language? Are two types. So low level language and high level language. Low level language, humans cannot understand easily. So this is low level language. If we talk about low level language with nearby machine level language, computer understandable. Okay, now we are talking about high level language. So high level language understand easily by the humans can understand easily. Okay, so this is about basic. Visual Basic is a high level programming and visual environment. What is visual environment? If you need to uh, click and use any object of your computer, if you need to open a Microsoft Excel, MS Office, you can click on icon and use it. Okay, this is about visual environment. So here we have done graphical user interface and character user interface. If you have graphical representer like icons, you can click on icons and use it all the application software. Okay, now we are talking about a character user interface. If you need to type any text and open or use the any object of your computer. For example, we need to open a Microsoft Word. So we have run window, window key plus R, and we have a dialog box and write there win WIN word, so you can open MS Word. Okay, so this is about Visual Basics, and now we are moving on event driven programming. What is event driven? Visual Basic is event driven programming. Event means action. So single click, double click, or any of keys from keyboard to perform action on any of the objects. Objects are anything in your computer. All have objects. Like if you feel and see on your screen, uh, lots of icons, settings icon available, and recycle bin also available, and lots of icons are available. Click on use it. So this is about event driven programming. Now we are moving on two things. Visual Basic was one of the system that make it possible to write program window operating system. Okay, this is about this. And rat for rapid application development. So this is about basics of this. So now here we have integrated development environment, IDE. So IDE for use of features such as designing, editing, compiling, debugging within the computer environment. If anyone talk about IDE, so we can say IDE, integrated development environment. What type of integration? Features. And other thing we can say, lots of options are available. Menu bar, toolbar, toolbox, project explorer, project property window, form design window, form layout window, and code window for typing any program. Okay, so this is about IDE, integrated development environment. So here we can use steps and how to start Visual Basic. So here we have lots of option steps. Here first step is start button and go all program, and in all program you can search window Visual Basic as per the version. Here version is 6.0. So after that we have three options: a new tab, existing tab, and recent tab. So here if you need to create a new project, you can use new tab. And existing tab, we have already have some projects, so you can use existing tab. Recently tab, if you um, it displays the list of most recently created and used projects you can use from this recent tab. Okay, so this is about tab. So new tab, existing tab and recent tab. So we talk about uh, a new tab. By default this tab is selected. It is standard exe option, exe for executable file. Okay, standard exe option that is used to create a new project, and it is selected by default. We have already discussed about that existing and recently already discussed. Now we are moving on component of Visual Basic window. So here we have lots of options are available. The following are the basics components of Visual Basic Windows. Title bar, it displays the name of the project and lies on the top of window and indicates that you are in design mode. So title bar shows the project name. If you have if you need to uh, type any project as per your requirements, this project name shows on the title bar. So title bar have on three buttons also: minimize and maximize and close button. Here we have we can see minimize, maximize and close button are available. So this is about title bar. Now we are moving on menu bar. It is below the title bar. It displays the various menu options such as a file, edit, view, project, etc. Okay, this is about the menu bar and toolbar. It has many tools for quick access that are available in menu. So and toolbox, it contains all the tools that are essential for developing an application. Visual Basics such as command button, labels, boxes and other objects. So what are labels? So in short we can say, if you need to enter any text in your text box, so text box have some reference regarding which text. For example, we need to enter any first name. So here we have a description as a label. Enter first name, and second is last name. And if you had need to enter your date of birth, so label shows the date of birth. So this is about label in short. Now we will discuss in details next. So here we have also a images are available on your IDE, integrated development environment. So here we can add project. This is the image for add product and add form. This image shows the add form. If you click on that, you can able to add form. Now this is about menu editor. If you need to menu editor, you can click on that, and open project is available here. So, and save it from your IDE. And here we now also images available. Project Explorer, if you need to open your project, you can click on that, and Project Explorer work on this. And now we are moving on property window. This is property window. If you showing any property related setting, so you can go property window. And now form layout window. This is the sign of form layout window. You can get on this and set your layout for window. Okay, this is about object browser. If you need to uh, object browser, you can click on that and use it. And toolbox, this is the toolbox image. You can click on that and use toolbox options. And now data view window. If you need to show data view window, you can click on that, and this is the form dimensions available on this tab. Okay, this is about options of images so showing here. Now we are moving on table for tools with their functions. Okay, so here lots of functions are available. So here we are talking about control, icon and function. So first is pointer icon is this. If you see this icon, you can see pointer. And function is used to resize and remove the object. You can resize and remove. Okay, now we are moving on picture box. This is the icon of picture box. And now function of this: displays icons, bitmap files. It displays that or act as a visual container for other controllers. Okay, this is about picture box. Okay, now we are moving on label, which we already discussed in. This is the icon of label and displays text that cannot be modified by user directly. Okay, this is about label. And now we are moving on text box. This is the text box icon, and create a text box to accept and display data when we need to enter any data and process on this data, which control text box. Okay, we will work on a lab, you can understand easily. Okay, now frame also discussed in HTML. So contains other tools and controls which act and control as group. If you need to put in a group lots of controls, you can use frame. Okay, now 6 point is command button. This is the icon of command button and executes specified action designed to it when user click on it. So this is about our session. So if you have any question or query, you can ask me in next session. Okay, thank you.